beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Eugenia, and as you can tell by the video title, this is gonna be a weekend in my life vlog. I'm gonna take you guys along with me through my weekend, what I do, and all of the stuff. You guys are basically gonna be spending the weekend with me. Like, isn't that nice? So right now I'm gonna make myself some smoothies so I can take before I go to the gym. Like, I'm all dressed up for the gym. Let me show you guys my outfit real quick. So this is my gym outfit for the day. So right now I'm just gonna make myself a smoothie so I can take before going to the gym. I need some energy so I can get my workout done. Like, I really want to do some great workout. I just don't want to go there and be like tired and leave quick. So yeah, let's do that. So guys, I just came back from the gym and I'm running some water right now so I can take a shower. I have somewhere to go real quick, so it's one of my friend's birthday and I'm gonna be going out. We're gonna do some like activities and then we'll go out for dinner, which is gonna be nice. Like, the weather is getting warmer. Like, it's no longer as cold as before. Like, if you live in Canada, you know what I mean. So it's exciting and it's nice to go out and like do some activities and have some fun. Like, I don't know, I just love it. It makes me feel young and yeah, active. So yeah, let's take a shower. I just came out from the shower and I'm fully dressed. Right now I'm gonna be doing my makeup. Like, I'm actually running late, like, because I have to drive like 40 minutes there because we kind of like live in a different city. I wish I didn't take too long in the gym. Like, I actually took too long doing my workout. Like, I was so into my workout that I lost track of time. So I don't know if I should use this purse, this white purse, or this blue purse. This thing. This is the white, is this? I'm going for the white. I think I prefer the white now. The white purse. I just wanna have a light, have a light, have a light, yeah.
I think if you win, you keep going, right? If nobody's waiting.
So the blue baskets, not the gray ones. Okay.
Yeah, blue basket. Let's get it.
Please exit the room within 10 seconds.
So I'm done playing the game. I'm gonna finally check how much coins I got. Like you go 66. Okay, let me check mine.
You log out the red button, right? Oh, you 66, yeah. No, did it good?
Oh, log out. Oh yeah.
66. Yeah, we should all get the same because we play on the same team.
Yeah, 66.
Shit, how did I get one?
Alright, it's no longer funny anymore.
You guys gonna win in the
fine.
or no? No, it's because we're teammates.
Yeah. Okay.
That's what I'm saying. You know, I think they have it. No, they should have beer. No, every place got beer.
They should.
Go to the menu.
We have soju.
Apple juice. You want apple juice, babe? Beverages. Yeah. Oh, it's not even spicy.
It's not bad again.
This isn't spicy at all.
Good enough.
This one's not spicy at all. Different taste. What is this, ginger?
Thank you.
And can I also get a fork or something? Sure. I'll get a couple. Get four forks, please. I'll go forks. Sure. What do you mean, man? Just a throw. It was a rice, though, man. That's your tempura. Yeah, because we like it.
Yeah.
Just that boy, man.
Thanks. Is it chicken nuggets?
No oysters. Fight with that one. What is that? How is it? Is it good? Let's go. Thank you. That's the one. Let's not forget those custards now, eh?
You got custard. I hate this stuff so much.
It was custard, ice cream, and just don't want to eat. Big bag activities, by the way. I'm so excited. I mean, it looks like.
Haircut by itself. No, haircut and beard. You know me, like. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Grwm. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, you didn't make a wish?
He did wish.
Yo, I just found out today that Tim Hortons have this tiny ass coffee cup. Like, this is very tiny.
For an espresso.
Even my fingers are bigger. Like, my thumb is bigger. And yeah, it's so hot. Like, this is a small, usually. This is what it looks like. This is the baby. Insane. Good morning, guys. So it's raining outside. Like, I just woke up and I did my face wash and everything, but it's raining outside and I want to like take a walk outside. I'm actually currently at my mom's house and it's raining outside and we're like, let's go walk in the rain, you know. It's been a while. Like it rained over here in Canada. It's spring finally. It's rainy, so yeah, we're gonna go take a walk outside the rain. I just wanna apply some lip oil. So yeah, let's go walk in the rain. So windy. It's not raining anymore. The rain just stopped actually, but it's raining a tiny bit. Like I can feel some like rain shower or drops on me, but not as much. But it's also nice to like take a walk this early.
My body gets so like it gets like sniffly, you know what I mean? I always have to go.
I don't think this is grape. This is blackberries.
These are grapes.
This is blackberries.
It's just frizzled up because of the temperature. In the springtime, the grape season, they become proper.
Kind of look disgusting, and I don't like the way it looks.
These. You can put it on the pole too. It's not just a metal, I think.
Right now we're at a ramen place. We came to grab some ramen because it just matched the vibes. Like the weather is gloomy, it's rainy, you know. So we're gonna have some ramen. Yeah.
It's getting better, man.
just wooden or the plastic ones.
It looks like it's gonna rain hard.
It actually started raining again. Like immediately after we stopped working. And you look.
Am I allowed to use this now, Master?
Hey guys, how you doing? So right now it's currently 6 p.m. Like I actually just woke up from a nap and I decided, okay, yeah, I want to go to the gym. Like I don't have my gym outfit yet because I wasn't planning to go to the gym this weekend, but I don't know. Since I'm just sitting around doing nothing, I'm like, you know what? I told my man, let's go to the gym. So we're gonna be going to the gym. I'm actually wearing his clothes right now. Like, yeah, I don't look cute. I usually like to look cute, wear my gym set, my outfit, because it gives me that motivation. But today we're gonna just do something simple, something easy, just get the active lifestyle going. So yeah, let's go to the gym. I'm just gonna have this protein bar before I go do some workouts because I'm kind of hungry. I only had ramen today. Not like I'm really hungry, but just a little bit. Just a little bit. But this massage chair just did amazing work to me. Like it really dealt with my back because my back has been hurting ever since I did my um back workout yesterday. Like gosh, oh my god, my shoulders. But this is amazing. Really did great. Guys, good morning. Currently it's 10 a.m. and it's Sunday. I'm going to do some grocery shopping today. Like I'm back home actually. I just got here actually. So I took my shower, did my skincare and all of those stuff. So right now I'm going to Walmart to do some grocery shopping. Actually out of a lot of stuff. So we're gonna be doing a lot of shopping today. I think maybe that's why I've been eating out a lot. I don't know. I'm just probably just making some excuses because I can't figure something out. But we're gonna go get some things and hopefully I make myself something to eat at home today instead of going out to eat. So yeah, we'll see. That's if I'm not so tired. I'll probably just fix myself something quickly. Like I'm just saying right now, but we're going to see. So basically, I made a list of everything I need to get. Here's the list. Like I'm gonna get fruit, cereals, bread, pasta, olive oil, yogurt, milk, cream, eggs, onions, bell peppers, pizza, noodles, juice, and some other drinks, coffee, snacks, my cat food, sandwich meat, curry, turmeric, patties, and salad, ground beef, all of those stuff, chicken, beef, pork, all of those stuff. So basically everything. So yeah, I'll get most of the stuff at Walmart, then I'll go to Lucocos to get like my meats, because it's way cheaper and it kind of like bigger at Lucocos for some reason. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let's go do some groceries. I just came to Shoppers Canada Post to pick up a package, and then I'll get going to Walmart to do my grocery shopping. So let's go inside and get my package.
You have a piece of ID.
Yeah, so this is my new ID with the address.
Okay.
But this is just a photo just in case you want to confirm.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sure.
All right, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Yeah. I'm gonna start shopping for my cat. We'll do that first before I go do some shopping for myself. Yeah, because I don't want to like forget or miss anything out. So far, I want to see how we've been doing with our grocery list. So I'm just gonna quickly check mark the things I've gotten so far. So I've gotten pasta, olive oil, yogurt, milk, cream, eggs, pizza, noodles, juice, snacks, cat food, curry and turmeric. Okay. my god, so guys, I'm finally done doing all of my shopping. I'm just gonna quickly stop by like a Tim Hortons or something because I need like a ice cap. It's so hot, at the same time it's also kind of like chilly. Like the sun is out, which is nice, we love that, but I need something very cold right now to like just give me that like energy and kind of like refresh me because it's been a long day. So yeah, get ourselves that and then we'll go home and put my groceries away and all of the stuff. Yeah.
Alright, I'm sure for the order.
Hi, can I have a medium ice cap?
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks.
Okay then, sure, please.
Thank you. Yo, this road is crazy. So many damn bumps. What the hell? I'm finally back home, but oh my god, the sun is out and I'm so happy about that. Like, winter is over finally. Like, no more of the snow and those cold. Like, it's still a little bit chilly, but the sun is out, so it's kind of like a mixture of both. It's cold and warm, so I'm not worried about this. Like, I love this. I love this. So yeah, I'm gonna take everything inside quickly and I'll kind of like show you guys everything I got. Yeah, I'm breathing so hard because I just brought everything down like inside my house. But look, 4 full bags of groceries. Like, this is wealth for me. Hi. 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 Okay, let's get started. I got some tortilla wrap, burger bread, and some bagels, and I put them in my fridge because I don't want them to go bad. So I have a bunch of frozen stuff. Got my true fruit. I love this so much. And I got frozen fruits for my smoothie. Got some shrimp or prawn. What is this? Okay, shrimp. This is shrimp. And I got this beef burger thing. It's gonna be my first time trying this. I actually prefer chicken burger, but the beef burger kind of looked better. And I'm gonna take it out of the box because I need some space. Then I got some pizza. I'm gonna try this right now. In fact, since I haven't eaten, I'm gonna try this. And I got some dumplings, some fried dumplings. This is so good. My meats are all over here. Got like chicken breast. And I also got like chicken drumstick. Got some ground beef and some beef. I'm almost done sorting my groceries out, but the other things I just got some muffins, some cat food and treats for my baby boy, and I got some cheese for my burger. Got some noodles. I got the ramen noodles and just some fried noodles, and I also got what else did I got? Oh, I got some cream cheese for my bagel. I got some smoked turkey for like sandwich, you know, when I don't want to take to work or just have like a simple lunch. And I got some what's good? I got some pasta. And I got some snacks and all of the stuff. I got some corn because I love adding corn to my salad, and I got the Caesar dressing. It has ginger and garlic. Like, I love anything garlic except the garlic breads. I don't know why. And I got this minced garlic thing because nobody have time to be actually shopping garlic like that. And I got some olive oil, and what else? Yeah, I got some popcorn that I can just put in the microwave and just snack on when I want to watch like a movie. What else did I get? I got some spices, turmeric and curry because sometime this week I want to make like a chickpeas curry dish. So yeah, that's why I got that. And I got like milk. Over here in Canada, these milk look like we don't use those cans. And I actually put it in my freezer, and I take one like a day before when I want to use it. When I run out, I just take one a day before, like, so it prevents it from going bad. I'm done restocking and other stuff. Oh, my freezer is so packed. So grateful. Oh, my battery is about to die. But anyways, I'm gonna make myself lunch right now. Gonna be eating this. I'm very scared. But anyways, I'm gonna try this. It's actually not bad. Like, it actually tastes really good. I think I'm gonna get more of this. It's not bad at all. So the broccoli, I hate broccoli, but whatever. We've finally come to the end of this vlog. I want to thank you guys for staying this long, for watching to the end. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also share this with your friends, your family, so they can like support your girl, you know. Anyways, thanks for watching. I love you guys so much. I love you. Bye.